Welcome back to our economics class. Last 2 days we discussed about what is economics, meaning of economics, various definitions, economy, economic activities, production and factors of production. Now we have to discuss on the problems of economy. What is economy? Economy is an area, a region or a country where there are certain activities like production, consumption and investment or capital formation. Related to these activities, the economy faces too many problems. Can you find out some of the problems of economy? I will tell you one experience or example of present day. Last 1.5 month, we are all in lockdown. No one is going for shopping or foreign tour or fast food, etc. And we are ready to adjust with the present scenario, right? But what was the condition of the society before this lockdown? All are busy in various activities and they have enough money, and those people, they are ready to spend money for different needs. Actually, that is the problem of the economy. Human beings have variety of needs, or their needs or wants are unlimited. But the economy faces the problem of limited resources. We have only limited resources. You just compare the situation of India, second most populous country in the world and seventh largest country also in the world. In India, we know that we have enough resources, but these resources are limited. What about the population? And all these people, they have enough or numerous wants. Their wants are unlimited. Within the limited resources, the economy needs to satisfy this unlimited wants. Is it possible? Within the limited resources, to satisfy the unlimited wants, the economy needs to choose certain production. That is the alternate uses. According to the urgency of needs, the economy needs to produce something. So economic problem means the problem of making choice among alternative uses of resources. Since resources are scarce in relation to unlimited wants. Economic problem arises because of these reasons. Which are the reasons? One is unlimited human wants. Our needs are changed and increased daily. Today you need one brand shoe and your parents satisfy the needs. Next day you have another need. So that is changed and increasing day by day. One need satisfied, other needs will arise. That is the first reason, unlimited human wants. Next one is scarcity of resources. Resources are scarce or limited. For example, land, labor, capital. Within the limited resource, it is possible to satisfy all needs. Another reason is alternative uses of resources. The scarce resources have alternative uses. The resource can be used for produce more than one product. For example, land. We can use these example. I will tell you one example. I have 1 acre of land, and this land I can use for cultivation, agriculture sector, agriculture purpose, or I can constructing a building, or for playground. But the problem, there is one problem. I cannot use the same land at a time for different purpose, either for cultivation or for construction of building. So the implication of this problem, this reason, alternate uses of resources, that is, a resource can be used at a time for only one purpose. From this we can understand that there are two characteristics of resources. What are the characteristics? One is economic resources are limited. Another one is economic resources have alternative uses. Then, what are the problems of the economy? We discussed several reasons of the problems behind the economy. Then what is the problem, actual problem of an economy? That is, what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. These are the various problems of the economy. Why we face this problem? Because of unlimited wants, limited resources and alternate uses of resources. So first problem, what to produce and in what quantities. What we have to produce? I have 1 acre land. I need to cultivate food crops or constructing a building or just make it as a playground. That is the first question. It is the problem of choosing which commodities should be produced and in what quantities. For example, food or cloth. And how much we need to produce? More food or less cloth, or less food and more cloth. That is the problem. Or we can, in the economy we need to decide we need to produce more consumer goods with available resources or more production or producer goods. Can you tell one example of consumer goods? Cloth, machines, etc. are the examples of consumer goods. Producer goods, what all things we are utilized for further production. These are called the producer goods. Then second question is how to produce. How to produce? Which technology we need to utilize for production? That depends upon the availability of the factors of production. We can avoid this land and the last one entrepreneur. We can take the labor and capital. When we think about these two factors, labor and capital, we can see that highly developed nations, their technologies are highly advanced. They have advanced technology and they have enough capital. They have enough money for capital formation. So such countries can choose capital intensive technique. But underdeveloped nation or developed nation like India, they have more labor. Most populous country, they have skilled laborers are there, but their technology is not advanced. So such countries can choose the labor intensive technique. So according to the availability of resources or factors of production, land or labor, we have to choose labor intensive technique or capital intensive technique. That is the second problem we are facing in the economy, how to produce. And the third and the last problems of the economy, that is for whom to produce. It means that how should the final goods and services produced in the economy to be distributed among people. That is, who gets how much. Suppose in our locality 20 people are living and 18 people are high income earned people or richer section. They are able to spend more, they will consume more, they will consume luxurious goods. So we need to produce such goods. The other side we can see that in a near locality we can see 20 people are living, majority are poor, their income is very less. So those people need more needy goods. They don't want any luxurious item.
So according to the distribution of income, we need to produce various goods. So these are the various problems we are facing in the economy. Which are the problems? What to produce in what quantity, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What are the reasons behind this problem? Unlimited human wants, limited resources, and alternative uses of resources. This is for